Okay, guys, let's check out what happened to Ganex 1200 yesterday. Okay, before I go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And of course, if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Okay, so quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. Remember, if you have any question at all, please drop your question down there in the comment section, and you can also reach out to me via WhatsApp. I will be there to reply you. Okay, so quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. Okay, so if you should notice, this particular asset is on 15 minutes time frame. It is called GainX 1200. It got to this support region at this spot. It was unable to break out from there. So this led into an uptrend. You can see the custom made indicator giving us an uptrend signal. Okay, so it went as high as getting to this resistance zone. It was unable to break out above this resistance zone, so it decided to go down into a downtrend. But if you should notice this pattern, for those of you who have the idea of how to do um analysis on the chart, okay, you will notice that this particular uptrend was between this particular upper trend and the lower trend. You can see the movements. Check out the movements. Have you guys seen it? Okay, before breaking out above it at this point to get to this resistance zone. Okay, so when it was coming down, I decided to put the trend mark, trend lines right there, so that we will know when it breaks out from here. So it broke out around here, from here around this part. Okay, so a little sell, but went back there again, but was unable to go above it. So at this point I knew it's going to sell. Okay, but if it's going to break out below the lower trend, okay, or lower part of the channel, I am not sure of that. So I need to put the lower part of the channel there, so as to look out for that. So it sold till it got to this region, and of course went back up, and of course came back down to break out below it, and immediately it broke out below it. I knew it's going to sell for a very long time. And check it out, it even broke out from the last support region, which happened to be this side. You can see it right there. It broke out below it. Of course, when it got there at the first place, in the first place, it had a pullback, but it didn't go too far before trying it out again. And this time around, it broke out below it, and of course, it has gotten to a new region. Okay, so this is why it is important for you to understand the trend trading strategy. Okay, you can see how it went when it was going up. It didn't just go up directly. It was having major pullbacks in between, and this led to the movement within the channel until it broke out above it at this point. Okay, so when it was coming down again, you need to follow the pattern. Okay, first it needs to break out below the upper part of the channel, which happened to be this. And when that happens, you should know that it's going to sell. Okay, but you need to watch out for it. Okay, because the lower part of the channel is still there. It can still push it back upward. Okay, you can see it did that when it followed first got there, but later on came back down, and immediately it breaks out below it, then it means that there is a total breakout from the channel at that particular point. So this means it's going to sell more. Okay, so that is why we can see this selling more till it's got to this particular region. Okay, so this is a simple trading strategy that you can apply to your trading activities whenever you are trading. So all you just need to do is just to master the breakout strategy, so that you can apply it or use it alongside with the trend trading strategy. So this is so unique, guys. So I'm using this as an opportunity to explain to you how you can combine the breakout strategy with the trend trading strategy, so that you can have a more meaningful trading activities. Okay, if you have any other question, kindly drop your question down there in the comment section. I will be there to reply you. And if you want to know more about my trading tools, then you can reach out to me via WhatsApp. I will also be there to reply you. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless.